Morgan Castle here. Welcome to YouTube. They are going to be taking down the old ceiling fan. Well, it's not really old. It's just they're removing it because me. Yeah, me just light bulb behaviors. Yeah, I did not do anything wrong with the fan. It's just light bulb behaviors. So they're just taking it down. I don't know what they're gonna be doing with it. I'm pretty sure this is good. Yeah.
So you know your behavior yourself.
Uh-huh.
You still remember everything that you do and great.
Yeah. Me and my naughty behavior. I mean, if you were to turn on, is the power off?
Oh no.
Is the power off yet?
No.
Let me turn it on real quick. Do the last performance of the fan.
You want to taste one too?
Oh no. Yeah. Do the very last video before it goes bye-bye. But I'm really going to miss this fan. I am really going to miss it so much. But you know. Okay, let's shut the power back off. Which is the switch. Otherwise it may fall. But you know. Do the very last spin down video before it ends up going bye-bye.
So we're gonna say bye-bye?
Yeah, bye-bye to the ceiling fan. But you know, my light bulb behaviors, they've gotten many reports here on Balance Autism of me breaking bulbs, as you may have heard. So that's why they're taking down the fan, which makes me very jittery and nervous. But you know. You know.
Okay, so Onana catch you.
Yep, the drill.
Just a funny
I figured while this is spinning down and I can let you know how this thing works.
Yeah.
This just has a flashlight and a spinny thing. Yep, that just... So, to replace the ceiling fan, what they are to pair up is some LED lights. So I can't wait to see that performance. So, yep. Yep. Whoa, be careful there.
That better get me lots of YouTube views.
You need to be careful. Don't worry, the light switch is up, the power is off. I'm taking down the fan here.
Maybe if I get this stupid beauty ring to come off.
Let me see. Get a better angle. Hopefully this fan do not fall. Just be careful. Don't let it drop. Anyway, welcome to YouTube. I know it's stuck on there. That's a hammer. I think it might be bolted in or something.
There's screws underneath here.
Are you literally gonna do it with my room too? Are you doing it with my room or Thomas's room?
No, neither one.
Neither one? Okay.
Neither one.
What about the living room?
No, not doing that one either.
Just the dining room?
This one in the bathroom
Really?
for today.
I don't know.
You're just gonna have to see how I act?
Well, hopefully you don't take any more light bulbs.
Yep.
Are you gonna?
No. I think I've learned my lesson. Yeah, they're taking the fan down because of me stealing light bulbs and breaking them. Like you may have, not really breaking them, but like just doing silly games and kind of just, you know. Anyway, even though, yep, trimming wires. Okay. Now he's taking down the fan. I don't know what he's gonna do with it.
Garbage.
Garbage? Okay, I can't wait to see this. Don't worry, the power's off. The light switches up. Okay.
I'm not putting in this garbage. I'm taking it with me when I leave.
Okay. Leave it there. Okay. Back in. Car starting up. Can't wait to see the performance of the new light.
Oh, come on.
Okay. That'll catch some views.
That's what I was trying to get off.
Yep.
It was stuck.
That'll be recycled later. We're gonna cut the switch off here. It'll get less power from the main. Yeah, I did really love that fan. Question, instead of throwing it away, can you at least put it in the basement? Or no?
No.
In the garbage?
It's garbage now.
Because it broke when you took it out?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I do love my ceiling fans. Oh, that's one screw. Yeah. Down, some wiring up there. So they're replacing the fan with the LED light. Those drills I used to be scared of, but I still am. Just stand
You're
quiet.
scared of drills? How come?
Because they're loud.
Oh, this one's not too bad.
Now I open the light fixture. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna check out the new fixture here. See what it has to offer. Let me show some viewers the back real quick. Okay, basically, you want to pause and read all this you can. Okay. What's the black for and what's the white for?
Black is your power and the white is your common.
Okay. So inside looks like.
Maybe.
I'm gonna end up getting a copyright claim for all this music, but you know what? It's fine. I don't own that music. I don't own it. I don't own it. I don't own it. So, you know. And there is another screw that's on the floor.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this cover off.
It's just music from the cartoon. When you're done, can I see the instructions after you're done?
Sure.
Okay. First, let me show the front of the light. Don't worry, I'll be careful. Oops.
So we're not gonna have a fan here anymore?
No.
There's the front of the light.
That would be good.
Step ladder. Yeah, it's fun while it lasted. He's working on the wires, by the way. If you're planning on installing a light fixture in your ceiling, this is the stuff you need to read for the light.
These instructions, right?
Yep. Just for people who don't have brains.
Oh, really?
I picked that up.
You talk to people that doesn't have brain?
Mm-hmm.
I hope you're not one of them.
Is the client upstairs ceiling fan, which starts with T. I just can't say his name. But is he
No.
not my fan, but
I'm
the
not
other
doing any of
client?
the fans upstairs. Just this one today.
Okay.
Just this one.
You're gonna see how he acts, right?
Yep. We'll see how it goes.
In his room.
With you for just one.
So, not mine, but his, right?
Nope.
You definitely know who I'm talking about, don't you?
Yes, I do.
The person that punches me. Which is supposed to be in the basement. You hearing?
You can't be in the basement. Nobody can be in the basement right now.
Yeah, but you know the person that got moved upstairs towards me?
I do.
Okay. Be patient, settle down, Morgan. Installing a light fixture in the dining room. And getting rid of the fan. Even though it's pretty sad. It really would help out with cooking a lot. Okay, when is the screws? Well, these are all the tools here, like I said. I know it gets old, but, you know, a hammer and a drill. There's really just not much to show except for that little thing on the ceiling. So, and here is the light fixture. Really not much to show. And I'm gonna show the depth of the ceiling fan, which is out here, the depth of the fan. But sadly, it has to get thrown in the trash. But here is the depth of the fan, right here. It's not the depth of it, but like it's just ticking down. It works, yeah, but it's ticking down. It just maintenance call it the depth of it. Yep, another tool. What's that tool for?
To drill a hole.
So that's made to like rip apart and come together, just to kind of, you know, for drilling.
How many subscribers do you have, Morgan?
A lot.
Like how many?
Why?
1,000?
No.
Hundreds?
Nope. A lot though. Okay, the brand new light might be in the ceiling already. Let's go try it out. Not yet though, not
Try it.
Try it now.
I don't know.
Well, that freaking scared me right there.
Something's missing.
I think I talk like Isabella Gizman when I say that.
Just hit the switch.
But
and see
from
if it
beyond. Okay, first, is that switch?
Nope.
Hold on, that switch up. Usually when that switch is up, this will power. And then switch down. There we go.
works. Cool.
And then switches down. That's just how it's wired. But there you go. Installed one fixture. There we go. All installed. It works great. And there you have it.
Is this one bad? You guys need any more of these, or?
Put that outside. There's that alarm again.
Can you turn that off, please?
Yeah. Okay, now.
Now, if you steal that one, I'm gonna have to change that light too.
Yeah.
Which one do you have the most problems with? This bathroom down here, or the one upstairs?
Upstairs.
I'll put this one up there then.
Peace out. There'll be another installing light video coming up. Peace out.
You want to change this one too, right?
Eventually.
Welcome
yeah.
to YouTube. Peace out.